Perhaps someone said it's been depressed about it. Well, I think it's not that critical.
Hey, we have to do activity. Why are you not joining us? I don't know what kind of cases make depression.
Don't you mind this time?
Depression is a mental health condition which can happen to anyone under certain circumstances and at any age. Close to 1 out of 10 young adults, or 8.9% in the Philippines, experience moderate to severe depressive symptoms.
And depression is still considered as a taboo by many people, and there is a stigma towards people who have it. They are often seen as weak or unable to cope with their problems.
This stigma can make people reluctant to seek help or support, or even talk negatively to themselves, which can worsen it.
To reduce the stigma towards people with depression, it is important to provide support and understanding the following signs of depression may help people to recognize this mental issue.
First is changes in person's appearance and behavior are obvious sign of depression. Second, self-isolating and withdrawing from social activities. Third is low mood, fatigue, irritability, and low motivation. Fourth is they may also report feelings of hopelessness, worthlessness, or even guilt. Fifth is lack of interest in activities they once enjoyed. And sixth is thoughts of suicide.
Depression is not something you can just snap that off. It's not a character flaw. It is a complex of sociological condition.
So let's build together a more empathetic society,
Which can help people to reduce their void inside.
It is a serious situation.
And let's be open-minded in this case.